Hey guys, and welcome back to Bad Boats. In the world today, there's a lot of talk about alternative energies, EVs, Teslas, what the hell. But I found an alternative for launching your boat, and it's called HP, horsepower. So let's go ahead and take a look at the video. Must be Amish launching their boats. Two horsepower, only two. Low emissions. Maybe they're Mennonites. This city's got to do a lot better than other people I've seen. Now, that was good. You know what? Again, a lot of people talk about far advanced technologies, but sometimes it's better just to step back and go old school. Now, I don't know if these guys are Amish or if they're Mennonites, but, I got to give them a hand for their creativity using the two horses on the work team to back this boat down. They look like they did a pretty good job. Anyway, guys, make sure that you like and subscribe. Check out us on our other channels, Boat Mania, and we will see you on the next video.